Today, we're making Panda Express black pepper chicken. This dish is no longer available at Panda Express, but I really like this entree, so I figured, let's make this at home. It's a simple, yet pepper-packed dish that pairs well with a bowl of rice. Make this for lunch or dinner, and enjoy it as a meal prep to save money. If you've missed this entree like I have, then let's get cooking. Chop 1 yellow onion. Slice 4 large celery sticks diagonally. Then thinly slice 4 chicken thighs into 2-inch strips. A 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon cornstarch, and mix. For the sauce, we'll mix together 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and mix. On a wok set to high heat, add some oil, then cook our chicken. Make sure to give this a toss to brown it up. Toss until fully cooked. Then set aside. Add the veggies and cook for about 2 minutes. Then add back the chicken, toss, then add about 6 tablespoons of the sauce. The sauce will thicken up and coat everything. Feel free to add more sauce to the dish if you like. And boom, we have Panda Express black pepper chicken. If you've missed this dish like I have, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and give this recipe a try. Eat this with some jasmine rice, and you've got a great meal prep option. Panda Express black pepper chicken honestly is fantastic, but they no longer serve it, so you'll have to make this at home. We'll see you next time.